So before we start the video, let me tell you something. When I posted my last video, we were around 493 subscribers. So I had asked you guys whether we would hit 500 subscribers. And when I checked it, we have hit more than 510. Let's keep going. So suddenly I had the interest of wanting to learn app development, and when I went ahead and searched on the internet for which is the best software for app development, there are tons of software for that, and most of the software works specially for iOS or Android. They don't work for both, but there are two exceptions. One is Flutter and the other one is React.js. React.js is the most popular app development software, but in order to use that you have to know JavaScript, which I don't. So I went ahead and picked Flutter. In order to use Flutter, I have to first download Android Studio. So I saw some YouTube videos and tried to install Flutter in my Android Studio. Let me tell you, there are damn so many errors in that. It was full of error. God damn, it took me almost 1.5 days to install it. Fucking 1.5 days, bro! After digging through the internet for hours and hours and hours, I finally found out how to install Flutter. And when I opened the first Flutter project, this is what I'm thrown into. Bunch of random ass code. After seeing this, my mind was... Soon I came to know that in order to use Flutter, I have to learn a language called Dart. God damn, how many languages should I learn, bro? Just start with JavaScript. Even though there are so many things I despise about this app, there's still one thing I like about it. One of the coolest things about Android Studio is that you can have your own phone into it. You can add any phone like Pixel, Nexus or Samsung, anything. It gives you a clear vision of what your app looks like. Even if your phone doesn't work, you can buy a new one for free. You just have to delete and install a new one. I'm not going to go through all the codes that I wrote in this program because it's boring and it's nerd shit. This isn't a tutorial. So let's rush through whatever I have learned. First I learned to display a random text on the screen. Then I added an app bar and I changed its color and added a button to it. Then I changed the font of the text, added a picture and another picture, icon, button with an icon, Nikon. Then I added some padding and some more padding and arranged them in random directions. Then I created two dummy apps. App number uno, app number dos. Then I ran into lots of errors, and it took me hours and hours of time to solve those errors since I am a little bit dumb. App number uno. So basically I've got this app called World Time. This is an app which I built by watching the tutorials. So it's not my app, but let me tell you what happens over here. First I fetch the data from an API called World Time. API, Application Programming Interface. This API gets the time from all around the world. So I've got the time from this API and I've got it into an app called World Time. Right now the time at London is 8:04 a.m. When I edit the location, you get some of the options that I've given inside the app. There are a few countries in it. Takes some time to load. Right now the time at New York is 12:28 p.m. That's it about this app. Good app, but I didn't build it. So I went ahead and tried to build my own app. I wanted to build an app which would give me the recent trending movies and the top rated movies so that I could binge watch it when I'm free. But I had some problem doing it. I fetched the data from an API called TMDB, not IMDB, it's TMDB. This is the app that I built. You see there are so many errors in it. They should actually give me the popular TV shows and top rated movies. Somewhere while coding I made some mistake and I haven't been able to figure out what's the mistake. I tried for more than 2 to 3 days to find out where I went wrong. I couldn't really find out where I went wrong and I don't have the patience, bro. So I went ahead and built another app to end this video. So this is the app that I built on my own. It's called Hotel Tip Calculator. This app calculates the amount you have to pay in total in a hotel, considering the hotel charges the tip in percentage. If you enter your bill and click the percentage, the app finds out the total you have to pay. It's actually easier said than done because there are so many errors when you do this and I really don't have the patience to go through these errors.
Frustration, sir. Frustration.
I still have to learn a lot to build a good app on my own, so it might take some time. Maybe the next time I post a video related to this, I would probably have a good app rather than this shitty one. That's it for today's video and I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace.
இன்னைக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பண்ண போறான்